welcome to this quick overview video of crypto crackers. So it's actually very easy to follow this course. So what you have here is, first we have an overview of the entire crypto crackers system, and then in the main training section we're going to explore and explain all of the main fundamentals of cryptocurrency. So exactly what it is, how it works, how to trade and invest in it, how to select good currencies, how trading and exchanges work, how to pick coins, and so on. And then we're going to go through the three methods that we personally recommend, including the one that I'm currently using to get the results that you can see on the sales page. And that is pretty much it, folks. It does what it says on the tin, this course. It teaches you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency in an easy to understand way, and it gives you three strategies, low risk strategies that you can use right now to make money with cryptocurrency. So go ahead and pick up your copy, and I'll see you in here inside the members area very soon.